Hey guys, what's up? So I just woke up and I had an idea for my vlog to do, but now it's raining again. I don't know what's up with this weather because it's been raining like every week. It rained this week, I think on Monday, I think. Now it's raining today. Sunday, then it rained last week a whole bunch. Just like, what's up with the weather? California used to be all sunny. Now it's all sad. All very cloudy and stuff. It's like sad. So sorry that I didn't post anything for this week. I've been meaning to tell you, if I didn't tell you in my other video, that I'm just gonna do it every week, like every weekend, because every other day was good, but now it's harder to think of stuff to do. Just instead of just sitting around and be like, hey guys, yeah, this is my vlog today. So yeah, hope you enjoy this one with a couple updates. Please subscribe. Whoa, there's a pelican outside. I saw a pelican fly by. Anyways, please like, subscribe, and if you want a shout out, leave a comment. If you want a shout out, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment. And if you leave your Instagram name, I will shout out your Instagram name for the first 3 people. For the first 2 people that leave a comment, I will shout out their Instagram name. If they leave it, if they don't, I will shout out their name. If you have a YouTube channel, leave that in a comment. I can give you that. Also, it is just unplug. And I'll leave my Instagram name down in the comments, and please join the club, join the family. Let's go. Have a nice day. Just saying, don't stay inside and play video games. If you do have a chance, go outside and just enjoy the world. Because there's more stuff to do outside than there is just being inside and playing Fortnite all day long. Okay?
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.